Hi everyone, I am Tia Marie Villa from BSECE 3A and today I will be demonstrating my Arduino LED pattern homework. Here I have 12 LEDs connected to pins 2 through pin 13 and a button or a tack switch connected to pin A0. Pressing the button starts the animation and letting the button go pauses it. The button is set up using the Arduino's internal pull-up resistor. When I press it, as I've mentioned earlier, the LED pattern runs, and when it's not pressed, all of the LEDs stay off and they pause for a while until I press it again and it continues the pattern. The animation is controlled by a variable called step index, which keeps track of the current step of the pattern. There are 36 steps in total, divided into 6 phases. First, it starts lighting from the center and moves outward. Then, it continues filling towards the edges until all are lit. Now, it starts turning off from the edges back towards the center, and then it ripples inwards from both edges towards the center again, and it pulses outwards again from the center, and finally it gradually fades outward before the pattern repeats. I have also added a small pause of 300 milliseconds at the end of the full cycle so that the pattern is easier to observe before starting again. Now, let me show you the pattern in action. Here's phase 1 expanding from the center, phase 2 filling outward, phase 3 contracting inward, phase 4 ripple effect, phase 5 pulse bloom from center, phase 6 fading outwards, and then a short pause before it starts again. That's how my Arduino code generates this LED pattern. The button allows control, and the code uses timed steps to create smooth and dynamic animations. Thanks for watching, and God bless.